Hey guys, it's Jared with TechToyTV, and this is the first in a three-part series taking a look at the August smart home product line. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the August Smart Lock Pro. Stay tuned.
TechToyTV.
First off, let's take a look what's included in the box. So you see here, very nice packaging, very reminiscent of what an Apple product is. Nice and solid cardboard, and you have the August logo there. Flip open the top, and you'll see you have the August Smart Lock, the Smart Connect, which we'll talk about a little bit later, and a welcome package. Underneath that, you have the mechanism which attaches to your door, the adapters for your deadbolt. Depending upon what brand you have, you will select one of these adapters. And then in here, which is a really fairly new feature for August, is the Door Sense, which will allow you to see if your door is open or closed. And we have the August Connect. See there? You plug this in. Basically, this acts as a bridge for the August lock. This runs on Bluetooth, and this has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So if you want to be able to control your August smart lock via the internet over your phone when you're not at home, you will need the Connect, which is why I think buying the August Smart Lock Pro is the way to go, because this is included with it. And then, of course, we have the August Smart Lock itself, which you can see is a very attractive kind of hockey puck cylinder type of lock. And you'll see it moves like that. But yeah, very nice. I really like the look of the August. It's probably the most attractive smart lock that I've seen on the market. All right, so let's go and install this. We'll show you how to set it up, and we'll see how it works. All right, so I downloaded the August app, and I'm going to create my account. We're going to set up and add this to the deadbolt here. So this piece will be replaced, and this is where the August Smart Lock will be. So let's get to it. So the first step is to put the adhesive tape that they include, which is actually pretty cool that they include that for you, on the opposite side of your deadbolt so that it will stay in place when you're putting the August lock on. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, the adhesive tape is in place. Let's go to the next step. All right, so the next step is to remove the thumb turn here from the lock so we can put the smart lock on. So let's go ahead and do that. And this is the mounting plate. So we're going to be installing that on our deadbolt lock here. And the included adapters for this is telling us to use the yellow adapter. Now we're going to take the smart lock, and it says to pull both side wing latches to prepare for mounting. All right, so you can see up here, and they open up like this. Now we're going to attach the August smart lock, and then you line up the hole, and you push the wings down. We're going to press down here, and it comes with batteries, which is awesome. Thanks, August. And we are going to replace the faceplate. And now it wants us to install the August Door Sense. All right, so we removed the Door Sense magnet from the housing mechanism that it was in, which was a little bit difficult, so we had to go and find some blunt object to push that out. All right, so let's make a mark. We made a mark. All right, so now it's telling us to attach the door bit to the drill bit, and then we're going to tape around so that we know how much depth we need so we don't go too deep, so that the Door Sense will sit flush with our door frame. We taped. All right, now we are going to drill the hole. As you can see, we now have the hole for the Door Sense. All right, so now you can see we have the Door Sense installed, and I think the flush mount is the way to go because it's much more concealed. It's just here above your deadbolt, as you can see there. I can't see doing it any other way. So the next step is connect your smart lock. We're going to start. We have found the lock. Now there's an update that it's doing to the firmware of the lock. And so it's going to take a couple minutes. So we'll sit and wait while it updates.
3 days later.
All right, so that was actually pretty fast. I'm surprised. It's asking for the door to be closed and unlocked because we're going to calibrate the August smart lock and the door sense now. Says it was successfully calibrated. That was very simple. So let's see what's next. We're going to enable HomeKit. We're going to remove this. I guess we need some kind of code from it. Oh, it's on the back of this battery compartment. All right, so we added it to HomeKit so that we can have Siri control the lock. And we're also going to do that with the Echo Dot so that Alexa can be able to use the August smart lock as well. One of the key features that I loved and what made me purchase this was that it does work with Siri and Alexa, which are the two systems that we have here in our home. And so having it work with both is a major plus. All right, now we're going to do the August Connect. We're going to be adding the August Connect here. And I'm going to try my best to show you. We're going to be plugging it into that outlet that sits right back there. All right, so we got the August Connect set up. We've got the lock set up. Now let's see, can we lock our door just from our phone? So we have the app here. I'm sure you can see it's like a green little circle. You see the August is here. We are going to press the lock. And you can hear the August lock is locked. All right, so let's see if Siri can unlock and lock the door. Lock the front door. And there you go, okay. Lock the door.
The front door is locked.
Now let's try unlocking. Took a little minute.
The front door is unlocked.
But there you go, it unlocked it. Now let's add the August smart lock to our Alexa. All right, so we linked Alexa through the Alexa app. There was a process you had to enter your email and password and set up a 4-digit PIN to be able to use the August smart lock with Alexa. All right, we're gonna have the Echo Dot lock our door now. Alexa, tell August to lock front door. And as you can see, it locked the front door, so that's pretty cool. We've unboxed the August Smart Lock Pro, we've installed it on our front door, and some of you may be asking, what exactly does it do? Here's a list of some of the key features for the August Smart Lock Pro. You can control and monitor your front door from anywhere in the world. You can lock and unlock your door from anywhere. It's as simple as pressing on the circle in the app, and your door is locked or unlocked. It allows keyless entry for friends and family. No longer do you have to worry about a key being lost. It allows you to give access to friends and family in the August Smart Home app, and that access can be revoked at any time as well. You can instantly track who comes and goes from your home. With the profiles in the August Smart Home app, you can see when a certain individual locks or unlocks your door or enters or exits your home. One of the key features and the most convenient that I've found is the auto lock and unlock. August will automatically lock your front door when you leave, as well as when you return home, it will automatically unlock. You don't even have to pull your phone out. It simply does this knowing that you are in proximity of the August lock via Bluetooth. You get to keep your same locks and keys. Since the August lock only replaces the turn knob on the back of your lock, the front stays the same. So anyone you've given a key to can still enter manually, and you don't have to have new keys like some of the other smart locks on the market. August is one of the only smart locks that works with Amazon's Alexa, Apple's Siri, as well as the Google Assistant. So those are some of the pluses of the August Smart Lock Pro. Let's talk about a few of the drawbacks. Number one, the August Connect module. Only connects on 2.4 gigahertz. It does not connect on 5 gigahertz. This is a drawback in some sense because 5 gigahertz is going to be a stronger signal usually, but it does not have the range of 2.4 gigahertz. I see where August was going with this because you want to be able to place the module somewhere convenient, but you also want it somewhere close to the lock. And I know a lot of people don't have a plug that is in close proximity to the front door. The second drawback is you have to keep the August Smart Home app open in the background in order to have the auto unlock feature when you arrive home with the August Smart Lock. Keeping an app open in the background does drain phone battery, and in this day and age, most of us are struggling to keep our batteries charged for a full day. And so having some sort of system to authenticate this without having to have the app open in the background would be awesome, but I understand the reason why. Those are the only two negatives that I found with the product thus far. We've been using it here for about a week and it's worked flawlessly. There's only been one time which there was a little bit of an issue where the door wasn't closed quite enough and the deadbolt couldn't engage, but I mean, that's a human error. It's not really anything that was wrong with the August product itself. So what's our final verdict? If you've watched the video up until this point, you can probably guess what I'm going to say. The August smart lock, to me, is a must buy. The features and dependability are the best on the market. As well as working with Alexa, Siri, and the Google Assistant, it's a no-brainer. If you're in the market for a smart lock, I definitely recommend the August Smart Lock Pro. Alright, so that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit us with that thumbs up. And if you really enjoyed it or you want to stay up to date for future content, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you already haven't done so. And why haven't you? I mean, really, come on, just click it, click it, click it. I'll wait. All right, good, you clicked it. And don't forget, if you've already subscribed, hit that bell icon down below so that you're notified each time that we upload a new video to TechToyTV. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching and checking out TechToyTV. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to share and hit that like button. To stay in the loop for future videos, click the subscribe button. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Till next time.